Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create individual Excel sheets automatically based on a list, like a list of sales rep names. This is great if you want one sheet per item without manually copying and pasting. Step 1. Prepare your list. Make sure your list has a column heading, for example, sales rep name. Click any single cell within your list. You don't need to select the entire column. Step 2. Create a pivot table. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click the Pivot Table button. In the pop-up, choose Existing Worksheet and select a cell in the same sheet as your list, for example, A1. Click OK. Step 3. Set up the pivot table for sheet creation. On the right, in the Pivot Table Fields pane, you'll see your list. Drag your list field into the Filters area. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab. Click the drop-down next to Options, then choose Show Report Filter Pages. Click OK. Excel will now create a separate sheet for each item in your list automatically. Step 4. Clean up the sheets. If you want to remove the pivot table headers at the top of each sheet, right-click the first sheet and select All Sheets. Highlight the cells at the top that contain the headers. Go to the Home tab, click Clear, then choose Clear All. Finally, right-click on one of the sheets and choose Ungroup Sheets. And that's it. You now have a sheet for every name in your list, fully automated. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.